Hi, I wanted to show you the SAM4s ER-265 today. This is a great little commercial grade register, primarily designed for food service. Why food service? Because it has this flat keyboard. It's got a silicone cover, a paper keyboard underneath here where you actually write your items on each button. So it has 15 presets. So this is great for snack bars, convenience stores, bars, wherever you're making quick transactions, coffee stands, where you want items that you just find the item you want and press it and sell it and then cash it out. You can also key in the price if you want and enter it into a department or a button. But 15 locations for presets, then your function keys, does discounts, charges tax, computes change, has multiple payment keys so you can keep track of cash, check, charge, etc. And what people really like about it, it's very small. However, it still has a great commercial cash drawer. This is a 5 bill, 5 coin, removable. So put it back in here, and it does lock in place. To get it out, I have to push it back and up because it has these media slots on the front as well. This register features a single printer. Typically it's going to be, well actually on this one, always it's going to be a receipt printer. You can turn the receipt off if you would like. I've got it turned on here, so as we're selling items. But you can turn it off and get it on demand if you would like to. Now, it doesn't have a journal printer, so what this machine does is keep an electronic journal. This machine, electronic journal, I believe is around 6,500 lines of electronic journal before it fills up, which is quite large electronic journal. Then you could print that if you wanted. You can also transfer that to an SD card and look at it on your computer. There is free software for this register. It's called Espresso from SAM4s that does allow you to program it from your computer. However, the vast majority of our customers program it by hand. It does feature lead-through programming. Unless you're programming a lot of POUs, it's usually easier just to program it by hand. Speaking of POUs, this register is capable of, I think it's 6,000 POUs. I can't think of a user that would ever use that many POUs on this machine. Typically, they're just using what's on the keyboard. It has an operator display. It does have a rear display for your customer. It is not a pop-up display. It is a fixed display right here. It has ports on the back to connect to a computer and to a credit card terminal as well, or a remote printer. If you were operating a simple restaurant that didn't have a lot of modifiers, you could put a kitchen printer on this as well. So this is, again, the SAM4s ER-265 EJ. Very simple, very affordable, very popular. I would recommend having us program it, but a lot of people buy it unprogrammed and program it on their own. But if you have us program it for you, we will custom make your keyboard template. We'll program in your items. We'll program in your tax rate, the message on the receipt, your payment keys, your discounts, and give you 6 months of support on how to operate it and how to make changes and take reports when you opt in for the programming package that you'll see on the site. If you have any questions at all, if you're not sure if this register is for you, call us. 1-800-863-2274. We've got a whole staff here that can help you determine if this is the register for your business. Thanks a lot. Bye.